I'm coming back at you with another vid. I'm just like online shopping right now, and I'm like a size 16 in jeans, so like I'm trying to find some like really cute jeans for summer, like jean shorts I mean, and I'm not finding anything, and it's like not cute, and like I really want this Khloe Kardashian jeans. I have no idea what it's called though. So yeah, and the Abercrombie jeans are like supposed to be like really good and actually like my size. So we'll see. I don't know. But yeah, it's like super blurry right now. It's raining, as you can see. I don't think you can see, but it's raining. It's super cute. My camera's like really good today, so yeah, that's good. And here's another my bangs. There you go, sticking out. I don't know what boyfriend now. Jegging. Does anybody else have problems? Like, no, okay, jean jegging. Like, have a problem with like their thick thighs. I'm sure nobody else is watching this, but like still, like. Oh yeah, and just like somebody like if you're an old man, number one, I'm freaked out about the guy who or somebody who like thumbs down my video. Number one, frick you. And if you're an old man, that's creepy. That's no. Number three, I don't know, like just don't watch my videos if you're gonna thumbs down them because I'm super sensitive. So yeah. And I don't have Tourette's, by the way. I'm just like really hyper today. And that's really nothing. Oh, I probably shouldn't have said that, but oh well. Yeah. Yeah, I'm super like hyper today. I just like don't know what to do with my hands. Someone was like, so yeah. I'm like really awkward. Oh, they're not that expensive actually. Never mind. They're $39. Oh, are these like their? Oh, these are like their sale jeans. Oh, okay. Super ultra high rise. Thank you very much. But yeah, I'm just like super bored right now. So yeah. I'm gonna put some more mascara on. Oh, I feel like it. My eyelashes are kind of crusty, dusty right now because I put in like 3 layers. This is like my 3rd layer of mascara on right now. But yeah. See that eye compared to that eye, just need to reapply this. What do you need to do? What is that little clump? I don't know if I can get it high like the other one. Maybe not. Good enough. Okay. Feel better now. Oh yeah, I'm on my computer right now. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna go now. Don't not like my video because like I tried super hard on it. Not really. I'm just talking to my camera. So yeah. Bye.